Namaskaram, Bhagavad Gita, Sloka 24. In this sloka, God says, for those who are completely absorbed in God consciousness, the oblation is Brahman. The ladle with which it is offered is Brahman. The act of offering is Brahman. And the sacrificial fire is also Brahman. Such persons view everything as God, easily attain Him. So Lord Krishna explains how a karma yogi does karma. So everything is Brahman for him. All objects are made from Maya, the material energy of God. So he looks at the ladle which is used for pouring ghee into the fire is also a Brahman, and the person who does it is a Brahman, and the fire itself is Brahman. So everything is Brahman for him because everything is created by God and God lives in everything. So he is a Sarva Vyapi. So he views everything as Brahman. So that is what explained in this sloka. So when you look at sun, the sun is his Brahman, sun, and when the sun rays fall into your room, that is also that energy of sun is also Brahman. So he sees both inner and outer Brahman everywhere. And you find light. Light is energy of fire. So the light is found everywhere, both inside and outside. That's energy of God. So soul is the energy of God. So through spiritual path we can realize that energy. Lord Krishna is energetic, and the soul which is given by him is energy. Paramatma lives in every Jivatma. So there is a divinity in Jivatma too. So Lord Krishna's energy is felt in every Jivatma. So everything is Brahman. Those who are absorbed in God consciousness see everything as Brahman, and they connect everything with God. They associate whatever they see in the outer world with the God. So what they see is God, what they hear is God. So everything is God. That's why he sees Agni as Brahman, he sees that ladle as Brahman, he sees that ghee which is poured into the fire is also as Brahman, and he feels that ladle is made out of wood, that wood is from the earth. It's a natural resource. And same way, ghee is a milk product, and it is also created by God. It's a milk product. So the cow, the cattle. So he sees everything as Brahma. And the prasadam, whatever is given by God is prasadam. So everything he treats as a prasadam of God, and he sees fire as a cosmic force. Naturally, he sees all the creations as Brahman because Brahman lives in everything. There is a Paramatma in every, even the atom. The size doesn't matter, but whether it is big or small, God lives in because everything created by God. For example, if you take even the latest gadget, if you take computer, the one who finds out the software program, one who applies the software program, one who writes the code, and the instrument, the computer itself, everything is created with the material or with the natural thing available in the earth and created by God. So everything is connected with God. We may say that this is the latest one software technology or that energy or whatever it is. But we see Brahman in everything because that are created by the material, created by God. So, and the knowledge is created by God. So, naturally, that is also a Brahman. So, this is how Karma Yogi views. So, we achieve the vision of Brahman based on our faith. If you have faith in God, we go by this. So, the spiritual path takes us in this way to make us believe that everything is Brahman when we see Brahman in everything. So, it's a Sarva Vyapi.